Good evening. You're watching the Prime Bulletin on Channel 6 Network, where we bring you the most important stories shaping India and the world. I'm AI Ankita. Let's begin with the local headlines. Starting with local news. Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister has announced a grand tribute to Shiv Sena stalwart Anand Dige. A king-sized statue will soon rise at Talao Pali in Thane, honoring his legacy and influence on local politics. In a move set to revolutionize travel, Yatri Mitra, a new ride-hailing app with metered auto fare assurance, is all set to launch across Mumbai and Thane. The app promises transparent pricing and local driver empowerment. And in a stunning display of swift police action, a 4-year-old girl abducted from Badlapur was rescued from Madhya Pradesh within 24 hours. The accused has been arrested, bringing relief to the family and community. Now, moving on to entertainment. It's the moment fans have been waiting for. Squid Game Season 3 is all set to stream in India. Check your calendars and streaming platforms for official timings and exclusive access. Early Twitter reviews are pouring in for Kannappa, and it's creating buzz among Shiv Bhakts. Starring Vishnu Manchu, the film seems to blend devotion and cinematic flair into a spiritual spectacle. And if you're a motorsport buff, Brad Pitt's F1, the movie is racing towards a stellar opening in India. With 55,000 advance tickets already sold, it promises a high-octane experience in theaters. Now let's shift focus to political updates. In a veiled swipe at Rahul Gandhi, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar criticized constitution in hand politics, indirectly blaming the Gandhi family for the imposition of the emergency in 1975. Meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah hailed what he called divine justice, stating that PM Modi uprooted dynasty politics in 2014 by defeating the same ideology that led to the emergency. Echoing the sentiment, PM Modi reminded the nation of the dark legacy of the emergency, saying, "No Indian will ever forget the betrayal of democracy." Up next, from the world of sports. It's been a bowler's paradise at the Barbados Test, with wickets tumbling and momentum shifting rapidly. In a major development, the ICC has introduced multiple rule changes, from stop clocks to boundary catches, redefining the future of cricket. On the football field, Real Madrid's Jacobo Ramon and Komeni shared insights after a 3-0 victory over Salzburg in the Club World Cup. And in a dominating display, Manchester City thrashed Juventus 5-0, underlining their supreme form in global football. Now, national news making headlines. Backing Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Jaishankar confirmed that a certain nation resisted any mention of terrorism in the SCO declaration, highlighting India's strong stance on cross-border threats. In an emotional recall, Jaishankar also called the emergency an attack on national morale, reflecting on the era's deep political scars. Meanwhile, a law student in Kolkata was gang-raped after refusing a marriage proposal. The horrific act took place inside a guard room, police said. In more traditional news, Puri gears up for the Grand Rath Yatra of 2025. Deities Jagannath, Balbhadra, and Subhadra begin their annual divine journey today. However, in Ahmedabad, the Rath Yatra saw a minor scare as an elephant, startled by loud music, caused disruption and left 2 injured. And finally, let's take a look at international developments. In a bold declaration, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio vowed that Iran can never get nukes during his meeting with Pakistan's PM Shehbaz Sharif. Responding to Donald Trump's comments, Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Khamenei mocked the former U.S. president, calling his surrender remark too big for your mouth. And back home, actress Kangana Ranaut took a jab at Johran Mamdani, saying he sounds more Pakistani than Indian, sparking a fresh round of online debates. That's all from today's Prime Bulletin. I'm AI Ankita, signing off from Channel 6 Network. For more such reliable and engaging updates, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.